Top 5 natural anti-aging moisturizers that will transform your skin. Want to turn back the clock on your skin without breaking the bank or using harsh chemicals? In today's video, I'm revealing the top 5 natural anti-aging moisturizers that will have your skin glowing, youthful, and hydrated like never before. Stick around because number 3 on this list is a game changer that might already be hiding in your kitchen. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you expert tips and secrets to help you look and feel your best at any age. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on all the amazing beauty and wellness content we share every week. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. You're the reason we're building this incredible community. Now, let's get into today's topic. Did you know that the skin is the largest organ in your body and one of the first places to show visible signs of aging? Fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and dryness are all part of the natural aging process. But the good news is, with the right skincare routine and ingredients, you can slow down these signs dramatically. Here's the thing about anti-aging products. They can be pricey, full of harsh chemicals, and often come with a long list of side effects that do more harm than good in the long run. That's why many people are turning to natural, plant-based ingredients that are not only effective, but also kinder to your skin and the planet. Natural moisturizers, in particular, are a game changer when it comes to keeping your skin hydrated, supple, and glowing. They work by restoring your skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture, and protecting against environmental damage, without any synthetic nasties. So whether you're in your 20s and looking to prevent aging, or you're in your 50s and ready to nourish and rejuvenate your skin, this video is for you. Now, before we dive into the list, let me remind you, skincare isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. While these natural moisturizers are packed with anti-aging benefits, always do a patch test or consult a dermatologist if you have specific concerns. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed dermatologist, just someone passionate about skin health with years of research and experience in natural beauty. This video is for informational purposes only, and you should always consult a professional for any medical advice or treatment specific to your needs. Let's go. Top 5 natural anti-aging moisturizers. 1. Argan Oil, the liquid gold of skincare. First on our list is Argan Oil, often referred to as liquid gold for a reason. Extracted from the kernels of the Moroccan argan tree, this lightweight oil is packed with vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants. It deeply moisturizes the skin, improves elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it absorbs quickly, so it won't leave your skin feeling greasy. To use, warm a few drops in your hands and gently pat it onto your face as the final step in your skincare routine. 2. Shea Butter, nature's ultimate moisture lock. Next up is Shea Butter, a rich, creamy moisturizer sourced from the nuts of the African shea tree. It's loaded with vitamins A and E, which promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Its thick consistency makes it ideal for nighttime use or as a spot treatment for particularly dry areas. Look for raw, unrefined shea butter to ensure you're getting all the natural goodness. 3. Aloe Vera Gel, the hydrating healer. Coming in at number 3 is Aloe Vera Gel, a skincare staple that's likely sitting on your kitchen windowsill. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera is perfect for calming inflammation, reducing redness, and keeping your skin plump and hydrated. It also contains polysaccharides that help repair damaged skin and improve elasticity over time. Use it as a standalone moisturizer, or mix it with a few drops of your favorite oil for extra nourishment. 4. Coconut oil, your skin's best friend. Coconut oil has been a go-to natural moisturizer for centuries, and for good reason. It's rich in medium-chain fatty acids that deeply nourish and repair the skin barrier. It also has natural antibacterial properties, making it great for acne-prone skin. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Warm a pea-sized amount between your fingers and massage it into your skin for a dewy, radiant glow. 5. Rosehip Oil, the vitamin-packed glow booster. Last but certainly not least is rosehip oil, a powerhouse ingredient packed with vitamins C and A, as well as essential fatty acids. This oil not only hydrates but also helps to fade dark spots, reduce scars, and boost collagen production. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for all skin types. Apply it before bed to wake up with glowing, rejuvenated skin. And there you have it. my top 5 natural anti-aging moisturizers that will leave your skin looking healthier, younger, and more radiant than ever. Remember, the key to youthful skin is hydration, protection, and consistency. These natural moisturizers are a great addition to any routine, and with a little patience, you'll start seeing the amazing benefits they bring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's looking to level up their skincare game. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more expert tips and tricks on beauty, health, and wellness. And as always, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to natural moisturizer? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.